Hey guys, what's going on? It's Jake here with All Around Performance, and I'm excited to tell you about one of the brand new units that we currently have in stock. Sitting in front of me today in this nice matte black with a red and black livery is our 2018 Kymco 700i Prime Edition. This unit is fully loaded, and I'd love to walk you through all the features that it currently has. If we start at the front of this unit, you're going to see equipped from the factory, this unit comes with a 3,000-pound winch with a winch controller inside the cab, as well as a rocker switch control right next to the steering wheel. I'll demonstrate that for you in a second. If you look around it, you're going to see that Kymco stamped front roll pan, which extends all the way underneath, and then connected to that is your front steel tube bumper. If we come around to the side, you can peek under the fender and notice that it comes equipped with Kymco Sport Gas adjustable shocks. And then if we take a step back, you're going to see that sitting on Kenda K585 off-road tires. All the way around, these are 26-inch tires. If we come up here, you're going to notice that the hood is actually held down with rubber Jeep-style latches. Here you can see this nice designed air dam. If we lift the hood up, you can see a nice big storage compartment with a quick, easy access panel to your brake booster. If we look right here, you're also going to notice you have quick and easy access to your coolant reservoir. And then underneath this panel here is your battery, held down with just 4 of these Phillips head screws, with a Phillips head bit included inside the toolkit, so you can always access that wherever you are. The assisted dump box I'll demonstrate in a second. If you come around to the back, the tailgate is held with these quick and easy to use latches right here. Seamless one-handed. The tailgate drops right down. It's very light, easily used one-handed. And Kymco equips this unit with a rubber mat in the bed to help keep bed life longer. Removable, washable. That's important to note that Kymco also includes bed tie-downs in all 4 corners, so you can secure whatever load you have in the bed. If we pop the box, you'll see hydraulically assisted, very easy one-handed operation. If you look underneath, you're also going to see more Kymco Sport Gas shocks. You can see the adjust right here, as well as ride height adjust here. All you need is the wrench found inside the toolkit to adjust those. Here you have your nice thick rear sway bar for added stability. If you take a peek right down in there, you're going to see that this unit has a drive shaft mounted disc brake that acts as your parking brake as well as your rear brake controls. Step back, this unit also comes equipped with cargo net side doors, and it comes with a front as well as a rear Lexan windshield and a removable hardtop. And if you look on the front windshield, you'll see that black square there. That is actually a place to mount a front windshield wiper that Kymco offers. If you look at the driver's side of the cab, you'll notice that here is your four-wheel drive actuation, as well as your front locking differential control right here. And then you have your headlight controls located right here. If we come around the side, see, they're nice and bright. It's hard to tell in the daylight, but in the nighttime, they light things up extremely well. This unit is sitting on dual A-arm suspension all the way around for rider comfort. You can see just how much the dump box extends, especially with the tailgate down. Great for dumping loads of mulch, dirt, or gravel when you're doing yard work or farm work. So this unit offers a great blend of utility as well as sportiness. And this has been our 2018 Kymco 700 LE Prime Edition. Thank you so much for your time today.